Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can make this BG using GIMP software to great in the sense at creating some YouTube thumbnails or any images. We want this background to be dehighlighted or desaturated. Means this background should be there, but it should be something like grayed out. So how you can do that? With one single option you can grade so or dehighlighted. The process is very simple. First of all, this is in one layer. What I need to do is I need to duplicate this layer. I'll just use this duplicate option, or you can right click on this. You can right click on this layer and just duplicate this layer. Anything you can use, right click and duplicate, or there is a duplicate option here, see here at the bottom. Yeah, either you can use. Now I have duplicated the layer. Now I need to go to the option called colors here. Okay, remember we are working on the duplicate layer, okay, not the original layer. Under color there is a option called desaturate, and click on color to gray. And as soon as I did this, there is some changes appearing. If you observe, see here, yeah, this is the changes we are observing, and you need to click on OK. So now the background has been grayed out. See here, I'll just remove the visibility of the duplicate layer. See, if I enable it back, this is the grayed out background. With this simple one step process, you can desaturate or dehighlight the background using GIMP software. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.